Hello guys, I welcome you all again and my name is Pratik. I am your host and I hope you all guys are doing well and you're polishing your English language skill, honing your language skill. So guys, today we are gonna discuss about the topic women empowerment, which will help you to enhance your knowledge and also your listening ability. And if you haven't watched our previous videos, so please go and check it out them and improve your listening ability. Also guys, if you have any suggestions, so you can share your suggestions in comment section. Hope I'll read all your comments and you can share our podcast videos with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, so please go and subscribe. I every single day I'll come with a new episode with a knowledge points. So let's start without any further delay. Let's dive deep into this topic. Women empowerment is a vital and multifaceted movement aimed at ensuring that women have equal rights, opportunities, and participation in all areas of life. This movement spans economic, social, political, and cultural dimensions, striving to dismantle and barriers that limit women's potential and achieving gender equality. Economic empowerment is fundamental to this cause. It involves ensuring women have the same access to economic resources and opportunities as men, including jobs, financial services, property ownership, and the ability to start and run businesses, addressing the gender pay gap and creating policies that support work life balance, such as maternity leave and childcare facilities, are crucial steps. By empowering women economically, these can reduce poverty and achieve sustainable development. Empowerment focuses on changing societal norms and attitudes that perpetuate gender inequality. Education plays a key role here, ensuring that girls and women have equal access to learning opportunities at all levels, access to comprehensive healthcare service, including reproductive health, is equally important. Efforts to combat gender based violence, stick violence, and sexual harassment and trafficking are essential to creating a safer and more just environment for women. Political empowerment is about increasing women's participation in political process and decision making. This include encouraging and supporting women to run for political office and hold leadership positions, enacting and reinforcing laws that promote gender equality, and supporting advocacy groups that work for policy changes and raise awareness about gender issue. Culture seeks to transform cultural norms and practices that limit women's rights and opportunities. This can involve promoting positive and diverse representation of women in media, highlight achievements of women is inspire others, and addressing harmful traditional practices through education and community engagement. The benefits of empowering women are extensive and far reaching. Economic participate fully in the workforce. It contributes to economic growth and poverty reduction. Empowered women tend to invest more in their families' health and education, leading to better outcomes for future generation. Gender equality is a fundamental human right, and achieving it fosters social justice and create a more equitable society. Additionally, diverse perspective brought by empowered women lead to greater innovation and problem solving, benefiting organization society as a whole. However, deep rooted attitudes continue to perpetuate gender discrimination. Economic barriers such as limited access to financial resources persist, especially in low income regions. Gender based violence in nation remain pervasive, and legal and policy often fall short in protecting and promoting women's rights. In conclusion, if we talk about women empowerment, women achieving gender equality and fostering social and economic development, it requires a collective action for individuals, communities, governments, and international organizations to address the structural and cultural barriers that impede women's progress. By empowering women, we pave the way for a more just, equitable, and prosperous world for everyone. So that's all about the woman empowerment, guys. All the women who are listening to my podcast, I hope you all are doing well. My wishes also practice your English every single day on a steady basis, and I hope you all women will get your dreams whatever you manifest. Also, all men will get your dreams soon as well as possible. Just keep on track, and as well as practice your language, hone your skills, polish your skills, sharp your skills every day. That's the thing that will help you to enhance your knowledge. And keep listening our podcast, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So guys, I'll meet you in the next podcast. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you have any query and questions and suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Please share your thoughts. I'll definitely read him and I'll definitely reply him, each one of them. Thank you guys.